Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. This is my first video of the new year. I've actually been sick for more than a week, so that's the reason why it took me a little bit. But yeah, this is the look that I'm gonna create today, and the first thing I'm gonna do is prime the eyelids using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. I was thinking maybe you guys will be interested in me doing a video where I talk about all my favorite products of the last year. Let me know if this is something you would be interested in. I would love to film that for you guys. So now I'm going to go in with the Retro Glam palette from Natasha Denona. Today I'm going to create a rosy eye look. I think so far I've actually created 3 different looks with this palette. So I will make sure to link the other 2 videos in the description bar in case you need some inspiration on what to do with this palette. So I started with that light pink color and I just started blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and then also blending this color all over my eyelid as well. I just wanted this shade to be all over the place, and this shade actually blended out super easily. Then I went in with the next color, which is kind of like the same color but just like a darker version. I first went in with a tinier blending brush and started blending this like in my crease area and blending it up quite high to kind of create the illusion that I have like a higher crease for myself, if that makes sense. But I just wanted to kind of like darken it up, and I just took my time with this and I went in a few times with more of that eyeshadow to intensify the darkness. Then I went in with that pink color again that I used all over in my crease. I felt like using it on a blending brush made it look super pigmented and opaque on the eyelid. I love how it now shows more of the contrast of that color that I just used in my crease. So definitely don't skip that part. I feel like it made a huge difference. Then I went in with this shimmery color, again in kind of the same color undertone. I decided to use this to create a line above my lash line, kind of mimicking the idea that I have like a eyeliner above my lash line. So what I would say is use a little bit of water or setting spray on your brush. This will intensify the eyeshadow. And then around the edges I went in with that darker matte color that I used in my crease and kind of blending this along the lash line towards my crease to kind of lengthen it and connect everything together. Then I used a little bit of concealer on a E25 brush from Sigma Beauty and blending this right underneath the outer portion of the eyelid. Then I went in with that same dark matte color again, using this for underneath the lower lash line, using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush and just sweeping my brush back and forth and kind of connecting it with the outer portion, since I used that same color in that area as well. So just sweeping my brush back and forth, and then with that same color I'm just blending it out, and I just continue to blend until I'm happy with how everything looks. Then I went in with a matte white color, which is not in the Natasha Denona palette, but I'm sure you have like a light color somewhere. I love a bright white inner corner, and I also decided to use a little bit of that underneath the highest point of my brow. Then now it's time for mascara. I used a MAC Cosmetics lash curler, and then after this I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara, which is from Lancome. It's the L'Absolute de Noir. Oh, sorry, I'm actually first gonna use pencil in my waterline. Sorry guys. I used this pencil in my waterline, which is from Colourpop. It's their white pencil. I don't use white very often in the waterline, but I thought it would be perfect with today's eye look. And I feel like this eye look would actually be so beautiful for Valentine's Day. I'm a little bit early, but I think it will definitely look good for Valentine's Day. So then I went in with some mascara, and that's the Lancome Hypnose L'Absolute de Noir mascara. It's my absolute favorite, and I also decided to not go in with any false lashes today, just to keep it a little bit more on the softer side, easier to recreate. But of course, if you recreate this look and you do want to wear some false lashes, that will definitely look super pretty. Then I went in with this Kevyn Aucoin gloss, which you can use for your eyelids. This is optional. I wanted to show you the version with the gloss all over the eyelid and without the gloss. I think it looks cute, so I just wanted to show you guys. But let me know which version is your favorite. The one with the gloss or the one without the gloss. Let me know in the comments. I will show you in a second how the glossy version looks and the version without the gloss. So this is the glossy version and this is the matte version. To be honest, I am more a fan of the matte version, but let me know your thoughts. I would love to know. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want me to do a video with all my favorite products of the last year. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed. I'm glad to be back and hopefully you will enjoy all my new upcoming videos this year. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Even if you try